Uptown Swing level 1.
Peter, Val.
It is 6-count month, and we are in week
3.
3. You guys are killing it. We did Frankie's 6s. You already know that. And then we put a little finish on the end. So the whole deal. Hey, hey, bop, 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 bop. We went rock, step, bam, a shake, 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 and then you get out. You did great. That was easy. Then we worked on a bunch of feeling type stuff. So we did a send out. The send out has the woo-wee.
It's a rock step straight back. It's not openy, it's just straight back.
We contrasted that with the tuck turn, which is round. Woo. And remember, leaders, we did this thing where you don't just do this or try to do that. You hold the person, half a hug, and then you open the door and forward. You got to be kind of active responders.
You stick to it. Yeah, followers, you stick to that.
A lot of good feelings today, so that was really good. Then we talked about this move right here. Rock, step, triple step, kind of moving down the line and rotating. Then we turned that right into a send out. And now when we're coming together, I catch my partner with exactly that same movement. So if we erase Val, triple, triple, rock, step, triple, triple. That's how I'm catching my partner. In closed position or in open.
Followers, from here, we talked about how you want to face your partner.
Not perfectly square.
The first thing is when followers, when you brought me in.
Yes, so sorry.
Yeah. Face your partner here so they catch you back.
Very important point. Thank you, Val.
And then we talked about the parallelograms.
Yes, so we're not totally here. We're not hinging open, but we're not trying to connect like this either. This side, we just step on a little behind us. This is the end of things. Yeah? End of a send out is here. So we would go rock, step, triple, freeze it. This is the moment that you gotta find. And then the next rock step could be small for my follower because maybe I make a big one and we gotta go together. Yeah? So rock, step, triple step. Maybe I do more. Her rock step is kind of variable and we just mix it up and figure it out. So we'll do more stuff like that next week with a couple more steps and we won't have Val. So sad. But we'll have Val, Hannah, it'll be okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you guys, that's it. Pew!